guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And so a lot of y'all asked me on Musical.ly how to do to make sounds for Musical.ly or just make sounds in general. Alright, before I get started on this video, here's one thing so I won't waste your time on it. You have an iPhone. Make sure you have an iPhone, or I think iPad or something like that. I don't know if that will work on there too. I'm not sure, but I don't know if it'll work for Androids or not. But here's the things you need. You need iMovie and VideoStar. VideoStar, I know you have to pay for money, but some of the effects are free, and some of the effects I use is like free. The only effect I use for it is probably just just the picture and everything, just like I lost track. Just using the picture, like editing the picture and then like editing the text and put what you want, like audio or something like that. So another thing I'll type in the word Tumblr pictures and Tumblr creative pictures and just take the photo. And yeah, so let's get straight into this process. Go to Google search or Safari, wherever you use, type in Tumblr creative photos or just Tumblr pictures or whatever you want to type in. Find a photo you think that looks decent with your audio or just any photo you like and save the image. And then after that, you go to TikTok, or you can use your music thing if you have a music library. Then go to TikTok and find a sound you want to use. Could be your sound, any sound you want, and save the video. Then go to iMovie. Then hit the plus button and hit movie and add the picture you saved from Google. And then go to add again and hit video, and then hit the video you did, hit the dots and hit that little sound button thing, and it will do that. It will put it under the video. Then you can adjust the speed, how fast and how low you want it to go and everything, and just trim the picture. You can make it super low, you can make it high. And if it sounds good, then save it and everything. And I cannot speak today, so don't judge me. And also, if you do this speed adjusting, adjust the speed, it might make the speed a little bit longer than the picture. You will just adjust the picture to make it match up with the speed. And then save the video. Don't exit out if it asks for medium, large, or something like that, because it's going to ask you to save it again. And then just save the video. I think you can do this on VideoStar too, just that. But I like to use iMovie. And hit edit video. Go to your gallery and then pick the video you just get the video you just made. Then hit start video. And then hit re-effect clips. And then you can choose any effects you want. There's 2 or 3 ways you can do this one, but I'm showing you the easier way to do it so it won't be confusing. You just go to the very end and click that. And I accidentally hit the X. I exited out, so I had to redo that part. So just pick any one you want to do. And make sure you hit re-effect clip. That's what it says. Yeah. Don't hit the X, because I accidentally did that a lot and I had to keep redoing that. But yeah, and type in anything you want in there, audio or whatever. Because if you accidentally hit the X at the very top, you have to probably retype everything you did. So make sure you don't do that, like I did. And that's how you make a sound. I don't know if it'll work for Android users, but yeah, I hope that helped. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment and any other videos you want me to do. I love you all, and bye.